Here we have a Chevy Silverado where we installed emergency lights. We started by adding Moss 209s in the grille. We also flashed the vehicle's turn signals. We flashed the mirror's marker lights as well. In the glove compartment is a Moss LED light bar controller. In the back, we flashed the brake and reverse lights. And in the rear window is a Moss 9808 in amber white. Let's take a closer look at how it was mounted. Inside, we installed a custom light switch to activate and turn off the lights. If you have a fleet in need of GPS tracking, emergency or auxiliary lighting, backup camera system, or a complete video recording surveillance system, be sure to contact Move It On and let us put 40 years of experience to work for you.